Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you how you can use two reverbs to make a vocal track shine. Let me play you just a bit of the track. The track is called Pink Hearts. It's from Sanito featuring Modest. It sounds something like this.
Pink horse, she's sending me pink horse. Memories hit hard. All I need, pink horse. Oh yeah, yeah.
Let me play with the vocals without the beat.
Pink horse. She's sending me pink hearts. Memories hit hard.
At the moment on the main lead vocal I have a few sends. As you can see I have a few delays and just one reverb, which is the Valhalla Vintage Verb. This is probably one of my most used reverbs till date. I have bypassed all the sends. I have only the reverb on. It sounds something like this. I'm gonna increase the level send of the reverb so you can hear it.
Pink horse, she's sending me pink horse. Memories hit hard.
So I have a really dark reverb already on the track. Now I'm gonna add another send, add bass channel, let's call it Bright Reverb. You can use any plugin you like. For the second reverb I want a really lush sound, a really big sound with a long decay, with a lot of top end. I wanna emphasize the S's from the main vocals. I wanna use this like I'm using delay throws, just on specific words, just on the top end of the vocal. I wanna give those certain sounds a really nice tail. Let's start with a preset, go to huge spaces. This one is fine. Let's see how it sounds. Shift click all the sends so you have solo safe. So this one is called Bright Reverb. Bypass the first one.
Pink horse, she's sending me pink horse.
Let's make a few adjustments to this reverb. First thing I want to do is remove the low end. I don't need a rumble, I just want the top end of the reverb. Second step is to remove the high cut. Let's see how this sounds.
Pink horse, she's sending me pink.
At the moment the reverb is just a bit too long. Let's decrease it, let's say 5 seconds.
Horse.
And let's play with the high shelf until we have a really bright sizzling reverb.
Memories hit hard. All I need, pink horse. Oh yeah, yeah. Pink horse, she's sending me pink horse. Memory.
A bit longer. Another step that you can take is to use an EQ before or even after the reverb. Let me use it before. I'm using the new Pro Q3 from FabFilter, and you can filter all of the low end, the mids, to leave just that bright shiny part of the vocals.
Pink horse, she's sending me pink horse.
With the vocals in solo and just with this reverb on, the vocals sound pretty strange, but I'm gonna show you how it sounds in context. I've added the first reverb and I will bring the bright reverb in.
Memories hit hard. All I need, pink horse. Oh yeah, yeah. Pink horse, she's sending me pink horse. Memories hit hard. All I need, pink horse. Oh yeah, yeah. Pink horse, she's sending me pink horse.
So it's really subtle, but it does wonder in the mix. This way you can give the impression that the vocals are really bright without making the vocals really harsh. Now let's play the song with the beat.
Pink horse, she's sending me pink horse. memories hit hard. All I need, pink hearts. Oh yeah, yeah, pink.
From this point you can really go in and automate the reverb on specific S's where you want it to be more obvious.
Hearts.
Something like this.
Hearts. She's sending me pink.
And you can bring it down on other parts that you don't want that sizzling on the vocals.
Hearts. Memories hit hard. All I need, pink hearts. Oh yeah, yeah, pink hearts. She's sending me pink hearts. She's sending me pink hearts. Memories hit hard. All I need, pink hearts. Oh yeah, yeah, pink hearts. She's sending me pink hearts. Memories hit hard. All I need, pink hearts. Oh yeah, yeah, pink hearts. She's sending me.
Now let's bring all the sends.
Pink hearts. She's sending me pink hearts. Memories hit hard. All I need, pink hearts. Oh yeah, yeah, pink hearts.
Try this technique out and leave a comment how did it sound for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and see you guys later this week.